Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is April 16, 2026. Our AI model found 10 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Remitly Global Incorporated, a cross-border payment company. Technology sector. Software infrastructure. Remitly Global Inc. Rely announced the launch of the Remitly app in ChatGPT, making it the first cross-border money transfer company to establish a presence on the platform, giving customers instant access to exchange rates and delivery options for international money transfers without switching platforms or apps. The app is available now on Free, Go, Plus, and Pro plans sending from the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom to select destination countries, allowing users to explore exchange rates, compare delivery options, and explore country-specific options and payout considerations without having to switch platforms. The launch reflects Remitly's broader strategy of meeting customers across platforms and tools they use most, with Remitly Global previously introducing money transfers through WhatsApp and continuing to expand presence on AI-powered platforms. Here are the key growth metrics for RELY sales growth trailing 12 months, 29.4%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 48.8%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 13.3%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 58.7%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 21.6%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 71.80 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize RELY article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 71.80 out of 100, metric rating, buy. HIMS Centers Health Incorporated Healthcare Sector. Drug Manufacturers, Specialty and Generic. HIMS and Hers Health Inc. HIMS is up 4.5% after the FDA scheduled a July meeting to consider several peptides to be added to a list of compounding pharmacies permitted to produce, potentially easing regulatory pressure on GLP-1 prospects. The telehealth company is on track for a 4th straight day of gains, with 131,000 calls traded in the first hour of trading, 6 times the average intraday volume and 7 times the number of puts traded. The stock has nearly doubled off its February 24 2-year low and cleared its descending 80-day moving average for the first time since October, though the stock remains down 21% in 2026. The equity is one of the most heavily shorted names on the market, with 34% of its total available float sold short, and the stock's 10-day call/put ratio of 6.76 ranks in the top percentile of its annual range, indicating higher volatility than options pricing. Here are the key growth metrics for HIMS sales growth trailing 12 months, 59%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 28.5%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 3%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 60.9%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 62.5%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 74.00 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize HIMS article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 74.00 out of 100, metric rating, buy. New Holdings Limited Financial Services Sector. Banks Regional. The round was led by Bicycle Capital and included Cora, Qatar Investment Authority, and BTG Pactual, underscoring broad base of institutional support as Plata began fully operating as a bank in March, recently appointed Marcos Kant as Chief Financial Officer, and is exploring a potential initial public offering. Founded in 2023 by former Tinkoff employees, Plata offers digital loans and payment services and has expanded its active credit card customer base to more than 3.5 million, up from 1 million in March 2025, with more than $600 million in annualized revenue in under 3 years. Its loan portfolio increased roughly 170% in 2025 to nearly 10 billion pesos, $563 million, based on filings, with pace comparable to 61% expansion in New Holdings Limited's Mexico loan book over same period, according to regulator data. Here are the key growth metrics for NU sales growth trailing 12 months, 39.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 35.4%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 27.9%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 18.8%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 70.80 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize NU article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 70.80 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 7 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.